Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use LocalSend Android to PC. All right, so first off, make sure that both devices got LocalSend. And then once done, open both applications and then make sure that you are currently connected to the same exact Wi-Fi connection. Okay. And then once that's done on your Android device, if you're trying to send something, go ahead and tap on send right here. If you're trying to receive something from your PC, well, go ahead and tap on receive. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and tap on send. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on media. After that, I'm just going to select this random picture right here of my keyboard. Tap on select at the very top and then tap on confirm. You can upload 999 files at a time. Okay. So tap on confirm. Now go ahead and select your specific PC. It could be a Mac, Windows, or whatever OS. So tap on it. And on your PC, you'll receive a notification. Do you want to accept the file? Well, accept it. Once that's on, click on done. Then after that, to view the file, you gotta click on reasons right here. Make sure that you're under receive. Just click on it, and here we have it. That's how simple it is to use LocalSend Android to PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.